Alexa. Alexa! Volume down. Hi, I'm Rain.
Hi, I'm Prezels.
And we're Rain Prezels. Okay. Today is going to be, oh my goodness.
Week in the life.
Is staying at my place till Saturday morning. And she came over yesterday, which was Sunday. I love you! Why are you so chaotic? It's Monday today.
Just eaten breakfast today.
We had Biscoff on bagel and hot chocolate. Welcome to a week in the life of this person staying at my place once. Frog.
Flashcards.
It's like Froggeroo. Apple.
La manzana.
I don't know what you said, but that sounded right. Sandwiches.
Los bocadillos.
Los sandwiches.
I swear to God.
They're just sandwiches. I'm gonna go back to reading my book. What's PDA stand for?
Public
Display actions. Oh!
It's that one, isn't it?
Yeah,
I don't know
public
what it
display
means.
of affection.
Yeah, that.
Literally said,
Good for you.
no, look. Suddenly standing next to me, Augustus half whispered, "They're big believers in PDA." That's crazy.
Big believers in PDA.
Yeah.
What are you reading? The Fault in Our Stars.
Learn some French.
Okay. High feet una ero.
No, you should be sat at the beginning, love. Not in the middle of the book, honey. Bonjour, monsieur. J'appelez-vous? Je m'appelle Mark Smith.
Are you?
Yeah.
Are you now? Do you want to play Labyrinth? So yes.
There was Lucas, there was Willie, Will and Dustin, there was Mike. Then one day, Will goes missing when he's riding on his bike. Yeah, that's what made me alive. I had no hair on my head. Courtesy to Dr. whatever Papa's name is. That's not you. Okay, we're gonna play Labyrinth, I suppose.
Apparently, I don't know what the game is like, but apparently
You've
she's
played
gonna
it.
teach me.
You've played it before.
Yeah, apparently I've played it before now.
Right, so I have just sent Prezels out the house. They are out on a cycle ride. I've sent them out because I need to practice my music because I've got a concert on Thursday. Here it is. Okay. French horn. I've been playing French horn for a good 6 years, I'd say. 6 or 7. Hello. I'm in the park right now. Rain is practicing French horn now. So I am out on her bike. We're staying with each other for a week, so we could do with some alone time. So I'm having some alone time. I have just sent Prezels out the house. Cycling on her bike. It's sharp. Going into my gymnastics class now. Bye. What is that lighting? She's back. I'm hungry.
It's great, lads.
I'm gonna get changed.
Good night.
Yo. Good morning.
Hi.
Well, not really. It's like midday now. Anyway, we're doing a skill.
Hello everybody.
Oh.
Just checking you can all hear me. And you can just join in with the video. Chat to me when you unmute these
Take a
people.
book.
Just let a couple people in, and then... So guys, we're doing our register. If you...
Oh, full screen.
Why are we still filming?
807.
Oh, very nice.
315. Did you get?
325. Oh, that would make sense if it was 15, wouldn't it? No, it wouldn't. How did you get that? And that's 5.
And that's 15.
No. Because you're minusing it.
What do you mean it was 1,000?
So, let me know.
138.
No, I wasn't even finished. I got 8 down. Update. Oh, yeah. We're making a music. We're making... We're making a musical. No. None of those sound right.
then I guess we can sing about spiders.
What about a joke?
Or the local folk.
Or the nice old bloke?
Or the big grand oak.
What about a ghost?
Monsters! Jinx! Jinx again! Ah! That's it! A spooky musical!
Not quite. Do you remember the girl boss song we made a while ago?
Yeah.
Basically, and also personality-wise.
Es bastante divertido.
Ini simpen di mana? Di piring itu. Mama, simpen di piring itu.
Yeah, okay.
Watching the Norris Knots. Good night. Morning. That's crazy, bro. I got new shoes, guys.
Let's see them.
Slow.
Let's try that.
They're really soft inside.
I'm struggling, guys.
I can't walk in them.
Are they really cool?
Wow.
It's been raining. I'm going to work. I've just cycled down.
Basically everything's pretty much equal. Like some people say, oh, you know, I don't have a very good sense of smell or something like that, but mostly our senses are pretty even, you know.
Guys, I just finished philosophy and I'm editing now because Rain's inspired me. I'm gonna shower now. I just showered, as you can tell. Why am I like this? Makeup done, I didn't really do much. It's a big spider. Yo, I couldn't find my phone for a bit. Yeah, and I did my makeup. I'm now watching Netflix.
Disrespect of the weather right now. It's literally raining. And now my bike is soaking again. She's back.
Prezels drawing. Well. I'm totally drawing.
They're about to. I just had a crying session. What is this song?
I don't know.
Kicking.
My father and brother just went to what do they go? Peacock's. And Peacock's closes at like 5 p.m. And I have a class at 5:15, so I'm just waiting till we can go there. Class is conditioning. Just a whole hour of working on my physical health in class. Look at those muscles. Wait, why does it actually look like I have muscles? She's listening to California Girls on my headphones actually.
What?
As you can see here. Okay, that's just a weird place to actually start filming, I'm sorry. I've just finished my book. I look a mess, sorry. Look, it says laugh, cry, think. And it gives us 3 more books to read. 2 more because this book was repeated. Either way, very true. I may have laughed and I very much just finished crying over the book. And it did make me think. It's crazy. See, he's watching TikToks or something, I don't know. Anyway, good night. Morning. What are you learning, bestie?
Mi lápiz está rosa.
Don't know what she said. I'm gonna have a shower.
Do a spin from the camera.
No.
She's ready for French horn concert. Yes.
Yo, queens. Oh my god, it looks good. Hi, besties. Hi. Hi, guys. We're just waiting in the car. We both got matching nails as well. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday, guys. Happy Thursday, guys. We might not be able to film the concert because I think we're not allowed to film in there.
Because it's in a school.
I did it.
Just finished with the concert. We're conversing in Indonesian. She said, I wish that I can
Be with the cool kids, 'cause all the cool kids, they seem to fit in.
Saya punya 2 anjing.
Saya punya satu kelinci. Dulu aku punya 2, tapi satu mati. Sorry to get depressing with you. Saya cinta
cinta
kamu.
kamu.
Terima kasih
Terima kasih
buat
buat
56
56
subscribers. Bikin pipi aku merah karena kamu cantik banget. I'm flirting with the audience now. I just told them they're so pretty that they make my cheeks blush.
Wow.
You know?
That's cute. Night.
It's the 1st of July today. You know what that means? This is annoying me. Stranger Things is coming out today. It's out actually. And I can't watch it yet. Because this moron hasn't finished volume 1. We've watched 1 episode of it. 1 episode. Papa's shoes are here. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
What?
I'm okay.
You okay? Just look, here's the pink turn.
Yeah, Dad, I know.
I'm heading to dance.
She's excited.
Look at your face. Baby, I can see your halo. Halo, halo, halo. I can see your halo, halo, halo.
Hey, we just bought some machine masks.
So wear this one.
It's so that's so much better.
Yeah.
Dance is finished. Oh my god, we're in public, bro.
We're at Lidl, that's mad.
Yes, we're at Lidl.
That's mad.
That's mad, bro. Who's stopping me?
Yep, see you in a bit.
No one. That's the answer. Anyway.
You absolute.
I will see you guys at home, I suppose. Say bye. 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 Playing game of life. We're playing a game of life. It's my go. Go, what?
I'm winning.
What? No, you're not. Do you see that? Oh, thanks, bro. Not. You're welcome. Oh. Well, you're not welcome.
Hey,
Not you're welcome. You're welcome.
Take a sip of a secret potion. Anyway, we've just played 4 rounds of Game of Life.
I just won 4 times and you're a
Pure
loser.
luck.
No,
Pure luck.
okay.
I don't even know what happened actually.
Okay. Good night. Hi guys.
Good morning.
Hi guys.
I'm leaving today.
Yeah, in like literally 3 minutes. It is 8:24 and this is what we're eating. It looks so cool. Bye.
And say hello to your mum and dad. Bye.